What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to go over how to mix Phrygian and Aeolian. Two very common sounds used in writing metal. And a lot of times I get questions about people asking, how do I blend the sounds to get a good riff? I'm going to show you today how to blend Phrygian with Aeolian because they are two modal sounds that are used often together or used together often, whether you're lefty or righty. So either way, let's just demonstrate some ways to use Phrygian with Aeolian because it's an awesome sound and it's not hard to get. I'm going to demystify all the things everybody's out there saying. I'm like, all right, guy, you're like 9 minutes into this video and I still don't know what you're trying to say. So this is going to be short and sweet. Phrygian is the third sound in the major key. So we're in the key of G major, playing off E, V minor. So G, A, B. B is the 3. B is our Phrygian sound. Whether you're in the key of E minor or G major, B is the Phrygian sound because it's based off the major key first. So the third sound of the major key is Phrygian. That's always going to be the letter you're going to use for Phrygian. In the key of G, it's B. So here it is. Now, if you play off this B chord and you get back to the B, you're going to find that it leaves you with some sort of a tension type of sound. And it wants to eventually get released, that tension. It's ready to pop. And the reason we're going to Aeolian is because it pops the best going to Aeolian. That is why this video is about getting from Phrygian to Aeolian. Because it is the sound that Phrygian normally wants to hear when it wants to have its tension released. So we're going to go from this B to the E. You can just hear how that just releases. B, E. There's your B. So that's Phrygian. It's building and building that tension. Until you're just ready to pop it. That is the Phrygian sound. That is the most common way to use it in metal, is to release it to the Aeolian sound of that key, which is really the root of the key. If you're playing in the key of E minor, then B is your Phrygian sound, then you're going back to the root note of E. So that's a very simple way to do that. It's not hard to get back to your root note of E. You just need to land on the B first to establish that Phrygian vibe. You can hold it there, have a drum roll. I can't tell you how many countless bands do that. You will hear it all the time once you learn how to do it. That is how you mix Phrygian with Aeolian. That is one of the most classic ways to do it. It has been around forever, that sound, and it never goes out of style, and it's great when you can create it. So now you understand how to make Phrygian and Aeolian work together. I hope that helps you guys create some modal sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Check back.